So for this hack, you want to fill an ice cube tray with plastic spiders, and they don't have to be spiders. You can use eyeballs or little creepy crawlies, anything that is spooky. After that, you're going to fill the tray with water, and you're going to do as you normally would with ice. You're going to stick that in the freezer. Now after 24 hours or however long your ice takes to freeze, you have frozen spiders. Look at that. Ooh, super spooky. Next up, we're going to take some honey. Now we're going to put red food gel in that honey, and we're just going to give that a good mix up. Good little mix, and what you end up with is this viscous red mixture. Remind you of anything? That's right, it's blood. Now you're just going to take your glass and you're going to rim it in that mixture, just like I'm doing here. Get a good rim, really get that red honey all around it. And you can do this with any glass, and it really shows up when you have a bit of contrast, like I'm showing you here with a white cocktail, in this case milk, for purposes of showing you. It really contrasts, it makes that red really pop. Next up, and a little bit different, we're going to take a syringe. Now I'll put a link in the description of where you can get these from. It's just a syringe, and you want to put a red cocktail in there, something hard hitting. You can even put syrup in there or a spirit and use it as a cocktail enhancer to garnish the drink, just like I'm showing you here. Pretty cool, right? And now the next one isn't so dissimilar. These blood supply bags, I'll also leave a link for them in the description. You're just going to take a red cocktail and you can fill them up and you can put any cocktail you want in, automatically spooky as long as it's red. And look, they've even got spaces where you can put names on there. Think about it, you're throwing a Halloween party, you got guests coming, put their name on there. Super spooky. Now this one, you got some snakes, right? Pretty creepy already. How do you make them more fun? We're going to fill a Tupperware box up with vodka, put the snakes in, and we're going to leave that for at least 24 hours, but you can leave it longer if you want. Then when we pull them out, we have vodka soaked snakes. Delicious, sweet, and they taste like vodka. What is not to love about that, hey? Super spooky, right? For this one, it works with any cocktail and it's really easy. You're just going to grab some black food gel, which you can get pretty much anywhere. Put it in your cocktail, pretty much any cocktail, and give it a good stir. If you're shaking a cocktail, just put it in your shaker and then you can just shake it and it instantly turns any cocktail black, which makes it instantly spooky. Like this. And look, you can even put all of these hacks together so you can have the red rim, black cocktail, syringe, and garnish that off with a vodka soaked snake. Super spooky. This final tip, we take a latex glove. Remember to wash out your latex gloves. They normally got a little powdery bit on. Yeah, but we're going to wash them out and then we're going to fill it with water, tie it at the top and put that in the freezer. Once it freezes, you've got a frozen hand. So all you got to do is you got to pull it out of the freezer and you're just going to cut away the latex and then pull that off to reveal your super spooky frozen hand. And this works great for punches. So if you've got a big Halloween punch you're making, just stick this hand in. It's going to keep it cool and it's also going to keep it spooky. And I hope you enjoyed these hacks. A happy Halloween to all, and of course, to all a good fright.